Dinner tonight is pasta, and it's one of the easiest recipes I know. 3/4 of a pound of angel hair or spaghettini. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tube of tomato paste, and a few teaspoons of chopped Calabrian chili peppers. So it's 4 ingredients, unless you count the 1 cup of pasta water we're going to pull out from the pasta. Mix it all up and serve it over arugula. The first step is to cook the pasta, keeping it al dente, drain it, save the pasta water. Then in the same pot that we just cooked the pasta, we combine the olive oil and the tomato paste, cook it for a couple of minutes just to get it dark. And then we are going to add the Calabrian chili peppers, stir it up, take the pasta, which we've drained, and put it back in, mix it with the sauce. That's all there is for the essentials of the pasta dish, but I like to serve it on top of a bed of arugula, which complements the spicy taste of the peppers, and then top it with Parmesan Reggiano. Here's a trick I use with a tube of tomato paste. It does have a little cap on the end that you can open, squeeze out what you need, and put it back. But for a recipe like this, where I'm using the whole thing, I find it faster to take a pair of kitchen shears and cut right across the bottom. And that way you can just squeeze it all out from the bottom and everything comes out a lot faster. We're going to drain the pasta in a colander and let it sit for a couple of minutes while we make the sauce. We added in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you'll see I'm squeezing out the tomato paste from the tube that I prepped earlier. Makes it a lot easier to get it all out. Turn the heat down just a little bit from the high that we used to boil the pasta. And then we are going to cook the olive oil and the tomato paste for 2 minutes until it is all nicely integrated and just a little bit darker. After the paste and oil have cooked for 2 minutes, we're going to take the Calabrian chili peppers and add in 2 teaspoons. If you're not crazy about spiciness, you can reduce it, or you can add a little more. And then we are just going to stir this for about 30 seconds before we get the pasta. We're going to take the water and we're going to add half a cup of the pasta water. Mix it up. Add a pinch of salt and the pasta. You can mix it with a spoon, but that's not the easiest way to get it all well mixed. So if you have one, a pasta fork works well. Just mix it all up. If you find it sticking together too much, you can add some more of that pasta water that you saved. I'm going to add a little bit more here, I think. And if you want to, you can also add some more olive oil. And that's it. It's ready. I'm going to take it and serve it with some arugula and Parmesan. And there we go, ready to eat.